Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your LENOVO Tab One. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool so you guys can easily locate it. It's close to the charging port, it's on the left side. And as you guys can see, here we have our microphone. Now what we want to do with it, we definitely want to clean it. So we want to use something that is non-metallic. So for an example, we want to use the soft brush or anything like that. And we don't want to use something like a toothpick or anything else because we can only damage the port and it will only get worse. So after that, let's head over and find the recorder app on your device. So scroll a bit down until you see the letter R. Here we have the recorder, and now what can we do? We can easily record our voice here. Now we can stop right here, and now we can click on playback and see if there's any difference. So if my microphone is working, I'll tune it down a bit. I guess there's no sound because I forgot to press the playback. Now we have to wait a couple of seconds. I guess there's no sound. Exactly, because I've started recording instead of hitting the playback button. But that's on me. As you guys can see, the microphone is definitely working. But if yours isn't, then what I recommend you guys to do is booting into the safe mode to check any third-party issues. So if you got a lot of apps on your tablet, then that might cause the issue overall. So hold the power button first. Now we need to hold the power off. And now as you guys can see, we will reboot into the safe mode. So this will disable all third-party apps that we have installed, and when we reboot again, then we will have access to them. So all we have to do now is just wait. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now as you guys can see, we are in the safe mode. We can see it right here at the bottom, and we do not have access to third-party apps that we have installed. But I haven't installed any apps on this tablet yet, so this won't change much for me. Now if we want to leave the safe mode, then all we have to do is press the power button again. Now hold the reboot, sorry, not hold, but click the reboot, because now we are in the safe mode, and all we have to do is click reboot and we will reboot into the normal mode. So I'll see you guys in a second. So now that we're back to the normal mode, all we have to do as a last resort is update our software. So go over to the settings and scroll down. So make sure that you have the Wi-Fi connection. Let's enable the Wi-Fi and disable the airplane mode. And now let's scroll down to About Tablet. It's right at the bottom. And after clicking it, let's go over and click the system update. As you guys can see, it's checking for updates automatically, so you do not have to do that by yourself. And now you're gonna wait for either 5 to 15 seconds, and you will see if you're using the latest version. So I do use the latest version, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.